Hi there, this is Diecast channel, and in this video I'm going to show you this 1985 Chevrolet Caprice New York Taxi. This is made in Diecast metal in a 1/18 scale by Modelcar. And before I unbox it, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, to like this video, and to click the bell for news. So let's go on. Once we've unboxed the Caprice, we can take a better look at it. As we can see, this is a typical 1980s American car, which is kind of boxy, but I like this car a lot. And Chevrolet Caprice was considered by some police departments as one of the best police cars of all times. It was fast, it was a nice handling. Although it was quite a big car, it was not so heavy, and this car was really a success back in the 80s. And as we can see, if we take some 80s and 90s pictures of some American cities, we can see some American police cars, and as well as taxi cabs. They were all Caprices. Just like this one is a New York City taxi cab. This is a New York City taxi 6805, which is the number of it. As we can see, there's a taxi fare chart right here at the driver's door. And let's take a better look at this car. We can see that the headlights and grille are very realistic, as well as the bumpers that really look very nice. We see no cast markings at all. It's very well made. And we take a look at the back with those very nice looking taillights, the license plate and the rear bumper, as well as the logos and Chevrolet badge, which hides the trunk lock. And they're all pretty much realistic. They're very well made. This car really doesn't have any opening features, doesn't have a detailed base, so we can see no chassis here. It's just a flat piece of plastic. But the wheels and tires are very nice. The body lines are very nice. The trim around the windows is very nice as well. The taxi sign right here at the top is very well made, as well as those lights. The antenna is in the right proportion. Mirrors, windshield wipers, blinkers, and all details are supposed to be in a car are very well made. We can see the seats here, although they are black, and the windows are all sealed, so we can see as well as we should if it had some opening features. But trust me, it's a very well made model, really. I really like this car, and I really like the lines of it. Chevrolet logo right here in front grille. Look at the passenger side. This is a very nice car to have in an American car collection. I like those, what they call boxy sedans. I really like those straight lines. They look very nice. And this Chevrolet Caprice is a very nice model. I'll soon show a civilian version, which is a common passenger sedan. It's not a taxi, it's not a police car, anything like that, really. I'd like to thank you for all views, for all likes and comments, and as usual, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.